Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siya. Hey guys, let's just unpack on the proceedings there at High Court in Pretoria. Our Mnisi Wemvula is back with the bang. Why are they fighting? They're fighting for the photos and that whole thing. You go to accuse number 3 had a gold tooth, right? So Mnisi is like, then he must go through the same then procedure. Ahambi bayimcheck ukuthi wakwaba nayo yini gold tooth. Kwalo umuntu he has never had a gold tooth in his life. But at the same time I'm just like i-dentist ayikhumbula le kantanzi yafika nayo qamba manga base beyithengile vele sebenika envelope ngoba vele uGeninda is the one that actually took untanzi there to prove ukuthi une gold tooth. And naye futhi untanzi has never had a gold tooth. It's like crazy, this gold tooth thing. Ungazi ukuthi izosiza ngani elifini. It's not gonna bring us anything. You know? I like also the fact that yesterday, on Monday, i-defense lebisele u-advocate Zandile Mshololo, uZithulele Nxumalo, beno attorney Sipho Ramusipili stood up for Mnisi. They were like, hey, please, wena baloyi, we can't be listening to you today. Mnisi uyeza kusasa. Can we then talk about this thing of this new evidence that you are trying to apply for? You know, I liked that a lot, guys. I don't know what you guys think about that. You must just comment and tell me. But they teamed up this time. I let they ask Zithulele last week. My mbuzora. So it's okay. So what do you think? I say, I'll rather keep quiet. I was just like, when Mnisi wanted to go to comrades. I was like, even you, why are you like this? Who's advocate Zithulele Nxumalo? Esefuna ukuthula njengegama lakhe. I was just like, there's no need for this. Mnisi, I get it, indaba yamehla amakhulu, you accused number 3, the big eyes and all of that. But now, what's up with the dreadlocks? The dreadlocks description is not the same as ours. Our dreadlocks were not like that. So can you just please elaborate on that, you know, because those are Geninda and Eze too. And that's what I said, He was like, your description and ours is not the same. Accused number 3 ngathi unayo gold tooth but at the back of his teeth. So ubona kanjani ngigijima nesibhamu, like crazy things like that. Are you like serious, guys? The next thing Mnisi is like, those photos, it's not accused number 3. It will never be accused number 3. It will never, like noma ngenzakalani, because uGeninda fanele kube bona. He doesn't care. Like it's just like it's them angifuna nokwazi. He's repeated it so many times. Actually, these are the guys that actually deleted Senzomiyu. I'm just like, bro, were you there? Or you just have beef with these guys. Mnisi, it defends actually. Not once have they made it look like who accused number 3 has a gold tooth. But you guys also know he does actually have a gold tooth, and he had a gold tooth. Mnisi is like, no. Guys, advocate Charles Mnisi is making Baloyi's life difficult, guys, because he's like, this information is not relevant, because if it was, why are you now introducing it, adding? Because these photos, they have spoken about them on trial, within a trial. But I'm just like, man, it's about 700, it says over 700, man. Like, what's going on? So Mnisi is like, no, this is totally irrelevant, because if it was important information, basically. Isakazim ihlangene ne-gaslighting kuMnisi when he says, no, I'm getting doubt, as the state. You did a great job, phenomenal job, actually. The best experienced prosecutors. I was just like, hi guys, Mnisi is the stuff that he says now, no, you guys did a great job, you actually very competent and all of that as prosecutors, but even Nomzinyati, the head of prosecutors, just to make sure you did the right job. Guys, I'm just like, how crazy is that? Uvale ngokuthi advocate Mnisi, state needs to provide compelling reasons ukuthi why didn't they include such crucial information. But come manje sebezothi, I know it's icushize, but he always does that in any case. Baloyi mind. The manje is actually thinking, what else can we bring? And manje, they normally think defense is they're slow coaches, and they actually not. I just feel good about today. Ngiyamnikeza flowers he spoke so well. Today he did so well. Wabatshela nje wathelelelana. For abantu aba-right kangaka investigators are-right kangaka nama-prosecutors nabantu abanjani. Look busy. I'm the lead investigator, Brigadier Genend. I'm the lead. But we were waiting for the lead investigator. But I know, actually, we don't know. The lead investigator will come and explain. But the lead investigator, man, can't explain anything. How crazy is that? Omnisi uqede ngokuthi, no, my lord, I will ask ukuthi this evidence should not be admitted. So application ka brothers Baloyi, they're not going to accept it because, I mean, when are you always adding stuff all the time? Then Omnisi uyasho ukuthi lo again accused number 3 on one of those photos, and it will never be him. Why are we forced in life? For what? Ngizoyengime lapho kancane guys, sazoqhubeka futhi nokuthi omthololo bafila kanjani benorap uMusibili, you know. Thank you so much guys for always supporting this channel. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Over.